Hello, my name's Liam and I work for Theraposture, and we provide Age UK adjustable beds, just like these. We've quite a range to offer you. We've got beds that are available in a variety of different sizes and finishes, and also a variety of different functions, such as profiling, which I'm doing now, or height adjustment, where the whole bed goes up and down, if that's what you prefer. There are beds available for both one person in a variety of widths, and also beds for a couple to share. We have separate function on both sides, just like this lovely damask upholstered divan base. Now, this particular model here has a latex mattress, something we're asked a great deal for. And it also has a drawer. And I think upholstered in the copper suede tan material, it looks fantastic. If you prefer a wooden bed, we have a Sandringham, and this is solid oak. So it's very sturdy and it's beautiful because you actually get to see the oak in its true glory. And again, this is a bed that's available in different widths for one, or a bed for a couple to share. Now finally, this brings me to a shallow base divan, which we've manufactured. And this bed is actually 4'6" wide for one person, which is great because you've loads of room to stretch out and relax. Overall, we believe we've got a fantastic range of beds here. They're great quality, they're reliable, they're well made, they all come with a 14-day suitability guarantee, and a £100 deposit is all that we ask for. That's all that's needed to make your bed. Overall, it all represents fantastic value and peace of mind from a name to trust. Why don't you call us? Age UK adjustable beds from Theraposture. Thank you.